Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the incognito mode on YouTube using your iPhone so your current session isn't being tracked and none of the information is being stored. So let's go to the YouTube application right here. Now on the bottom right side of the screen, let's select our profile. So go to where it says You. Then under this page, we're going to see Switch account, Google account. If we scroll on over to the right, we're going to have the option turn on incognito. Select this on the top, and incognito mode is now turned on. So nothing is going to be tracked by YouTube or saved to our account. So we can just type something in, and it shouldn't be tracked and saved. So you can easily just turn this off. After 90 minutes, I believe it just comes off automatically. Otherwise, you can go back to the bottom right, and then you can go to turn off cognito right here in the middle, and then you're brought to this page. And it's just going to be the normal YouTube application now. And you can go back to the setting in the top right there. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.